Birds. Often I find myself staring out my study window, absorbing the beauty which nature flourishes upon me. Birds are one of the prime elements which appease my doubts that there may not be any life at all beyond my small, cluttered room. They fill the scenery, from ground to road, to tree bottom to treetop, to the sky, soaring and singing out their reason for being. Indeed, I need no eyes at all to be a witness to the progress of life that goes on continually out there, beyond my sight, beyond my hearing, beyond my reasoning, beyond my knowledge. It is about these unknown things that I wish to speak. It is about birds, but also about humankind's fate out there in the unknown.